Hat Creek 2019, May, thunderstorms, packing up early. Hell of a night. Basically, I'm the only piece of metal anywhere around here. How you guys doing? And there was lightning like right above me all night long. I was kind of praying, that's for sure. Sizzles. And I woke up this morning and there was snow all over the place. To get to this spot, I kind of Google Earthed it. Right over there is a magnificent view of Lassen Peak. I had to throw the beast in four-wheel drive to get up this little ravine, carve through there. It was a heck of a night, like I'm saying, man. I was like, oh good, let this lightning storm go by, and it just kept coming, man. Storms after storms. I took my flagpole down and almost hung out in the truck, because at least the truck doesn't, at least it's on rubber wheels, right? Goodbye campfire. Playing a little more Hoyt Axton. Packing up the Ruger. Got the gun lock on it already. My homemade holster. Still got the old classic iPod, hit the thing on shuffle. I've got so much music on there from vinyl records. That's vinyl right there. Midnight in Memphis. So the Kodiak tent did outstanding. Woke up, there was snow all on top. And not a speck of water got inside. And it rained all night long. And then obviously it snowed at the very end there. Doesn't look like much out here. Looks more like desolation, but when the sky opens away from all this fog, it gives you the most outrageous view. And like I said, guys, I'm going to go back to this thing again. This thing just is a major performer. I put the little propane heater in there, and the wind was blowing like crazy. You could see a couple of my stakes came undone. And this is volcanic soil, so it's, you know, it's not very solid. It's pretty fluffy. So thank goodness I had those extra long stakes that come with this awesome tent here. Just a major, I am so happy with this purchase. It's exactly why I wanted a tent, for this exact reason, because I come out to these areas and you can get caught by surprise with major downpours or thunderstorms or snow or sleet, hail. And I was tired of getting into my tent, crawling in. I've got a Snug Pack, which is a four-season wonderful tent too, but you have to crawl in. Let's change the verbiage. And this one here you don't. You got doors on each side on this one. So I'm going to kind of pack it loosely, and then I'm going to take it home and reset it up, dry it out. I have holes that I've drilled in my concrete pad, so I can just screw some screws into those anchors, and gives me my anchor points here, and dry it off, let it get a good dry before I pack it, because I definitely don't want to pack it with any moisture content or water. Alright, that's all I got to say for now. Thanks for watching.